everyone! Come with me today para magbigay ng flyering sa SM Mall of Asia to one of our booths. But before that, pupunta muna tayo sa head office ko to have my ID replacement. So everyone, ayan, today nandito na tayo sa head office sa HO. So currently, umalis tayo kaninang 11 sa bahay and now it's 12, almost 12:20 sa biyahe. So, hindi ko naman napakita kanina, but after ko bumaba ng pangalawa kong jeep, I have to go up. Hindi ko na din na-videohan this overpass. After nun, lakad ako pabalik, the other side. Then, another lakad pa doon. Siguro total 10. Kulang-kulang 10 to 15 minutes yung nilakad natin pagbaba natin ng another jeep. So right now, walang tao dito kasi nga lunch break. So I don't know, maybe kakain ako after. But one thing's for sure, hindi ko pa ito mapapapalitan kasi nga naka-lunch break ko siya. So later, after the lunch break, I will surrender this ID. Tapos after that, I guess around 1 sakto, siguro probably alis na din ako, diretso na ako for the orientation. So, makikita nyo din yun mamaya. I will film that. So, as you can see, no one is here. That's why confident ako magsalita ngayon. So, again, later. Hello guys, so ayan. Medyo mababa lang yung mood natin, ano? As you can see, nakapapalit na ako ng ID. I did not film it na kanina. So, dumiretso na ako pagkakuha ko ng ID ko after mag-lunch. Sakto ng 1, kinuha ko na yung ID ko. Kasi, I have to hurry up na nga para pag makapunta na agad sa Manning or para hindi na ako malate, right? Kaso, even though we did that, hindi na tayo nakapag-film, hindi pa din tayo nakapasok. According to ma'am na nag-orient or nagbibigay ng orientation, twice a week lang daw sila magbigay ng orientation. And aside from that, yung bigayan daw ng ID is every morning lang. So I was told kasi that it is possible na makapag-manning tayo or makapag-attend tayo ng orientation ng alauna or something between that. But according to ma'am, even if alauna daw, hindi sila nagbibigay. So we took our chance and nandito tayo. As you can see, that is the globe. Paano ba? Yan, that is the globe of MOA. So yan, although our day did not actually went as we planned it to be, and hopefully sana ganun nga yung nangyari, pero hindi. We are here naman, so we tried our best. We did our part, although we could have done it better. Anyway, I have to go na. So, sabi ng manager ko, just find a way to make your day productive, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, I bet I'll just have to go somewhere and siguro magbigay na lang ng flyers ko or anything like that. So, yun. Until next time, guys. Next time na lang ulit tayo magkita-kita, ha?